Alright, let's start with something very simple, but very powerful. Think about this. Every single day, you meet people. At home, at work, on the phone, with friends. And the first thing you say is a greeting. But here's the problem. Most learners in India use only one sentence. I am fine. No matter who they meet. No matter the situation. And that's exactly what we are going to fix today. By the end of this lesson, you will not only understand greetings, you will feel which one to use naturally. So let's begin. Imagine it's morning. You walk into your office. Your boss is already there. You don't say, hey bro, what's up? That would be a problem. Instead, you say, good morning, sir. Now listen carefully to the reply. Good morning. Simple, clean, professional. Now your boss asks, how are you? What do most people say? I am fine. But let's upgrade that. You can say, I'm doing well, thank you. Oh, I'm doing well, sir. Feel the difference? It sounds more natural, more confident. Now let's change the situation slightly. You are still in the office, but now you are talking to a colleague, not your boss. Someone you work with every day. You walk in and say, hi. They say, hi. Then they ask, how's it going? Now don't panic. This is very common English. How's it going? Simply means, how are things? You can reply, it's going well. Oh, pretty good. Or even, not bad. Now let's make it more real. You're standing near the coffee machine. Your colleague says, hey, how's it going? You say, pretty good, just busy. See that? That's real English. Short, natural, easy. Now let's move outside the office. You meet your neighbor in the evening. They smile and say, hi, how are things? You reply, everything's good. How about you? Again, very natural. Now let's go deeper into real life. You meet an old friend after a long time. They look at you and say, long time. Not long time no see every time. Just long time. You smile and say, yeah, it's been a while. Now the conversation continues. They ask, how have you been? This question is important. It is used when you meet someone after days, weeks, or months. You reply, I've been doing well. Oh, I've been good. Now let's go into a completely different world. Your close friends. You pick up your phone and call your friend. They say, what's up? Now listen carefully. This does not mean what is above. It simply means, what are you doing? Or what's happening? Your reply can be very simple. Nothing much. Oh, not much. You? Let's make it more real. Friend, what's up? You? Nothing much. Just watching a movie. That's it. That's how people actually speak. Now another one. Your friend messages you. What's going on? Again, very similar. You reply, just working. Oh, nothing much. Now imagine you meet a close friend and they ask, how's life? This is a little deeper. Not just today, your overall life. You can say, life's good. Oh, pretty busy these days. Now let's look at a very Indian style situation. Your friend looks at you and says, all good? Very short. Very common. You reply, yeah, all good. Or simply, yeah. Now one more situation. Your friend sees you looking tired and asks, you good? This is not grammar-heavy English. This is real English. You reply, yeah, I'm good. Oh, I'm just a bit tired. Now let's go even more casual. But be careful, this is only for close friends. You meet your college friend. They say, yo. You say, yo. Or they say, bro, what's up? You reply, all good, bro. But remember, never use this with your boss. Never. Now before we finish, let me give you one powerful idea. English is not about one correct sentence. It is about choosing the right sentence for the right person. If you are talking to your boss, good morning. If you are talking to a colleague, hi. If you are talking to a friend, what's up? That's it. Keep it simple. Keep it natural. And most importantly, stop saying only I am fine. Start using variety. Because real English is not perfect English. Real English is natural English. Now listen to this lesson again. Repeat the sentences. Imagine the situations. And slowly, these phrases will become part of your daily life.